Lor. Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 20 Dinka to English short phrases. Let us begin from number one. Number one, ma. Ma mean mother, mother, mama, ma. Number two, ma achol rianke adeng, ma achol rianke adeng. In English, my mother name is called Adeng. My mother name is called Adeng. Ma achol rianke Adeng. Number three, wa. Wa mean father. Number four, wa achol Malik. Wa achol Malik mean my father is called Malik. My father is called Malik. Number five, Dienda achol parik. Sorry guys, this is a writing error. It's called parik. Fa a ra e ka parik. Dienda achol parik mean our clan is called parik. Our clan is called parik. Number six, yep. Yep. Yep mean ak. Ak. Yep. Yem dia arach. Yem dia arach mean my act is bad. My act is bad. Arach mean bad. Yem dia apat. Yem dia apat mean my act is good. My act is good. Yem dia apat mean my act is good. Apat mean good. Good. Something good is called apat. Apat apa edit mean it's very good. Very nice. Number 9. Apip. Apip. You guys, you have to know the difference between apip and apat. Apa, ata, apat. Apat mean good. And then this one, apa, eta, apip. Apip mean magician. Magician. Apat mean good and apip mean magician. This is the difference. When someone tell you in apip mean you are magician. Number 10, Ran kena apip. Ran kena apip. Ran kena apip mean this person is magician. This person is magician. Apip ekoch will. Apip ekoch will mean magician bewitch people. Apip ekoch will. Koch ayerioch ran apip. Koch ayerioch ran apip. People are afraid of magician. People are afraid of magician. Number 13. Agumut edit ku apip. Agumut edit ku apip mean whole is a bird and magician. The whole is a bird and a magician. Agumut ekoch will aya. Agumut ekoch will aya mean all bewitch people also. All bewitch people also. Agumut alang nyin ditut. Agumut alang nyin ditut mean all has bigger eyes. Yengoloi emena. Number 16. Yengoloi emena. Yengoloi emena. Emena. Emena mean now. Yengoloi emena is a question. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? In Dinka, yengo loi emena. What are you doing now? You can reply number 17 and diao. And diao. And diao mean I am crying. I am crying. Diao. Number 18. And dal. And dal mean I'm laughing. You were crying before diu. Now you are laughing. And dal. I am laughing. Number 19. And I ikura. And I ikura mean I am watching football. I'm watching football. And I ikura. Number 20. And when ator. And when ator mean I am reading a book. I'm reading a book. All this one from number 17 to 20 is a reply of number 16. For example, you were asked, Yongoloi Imene mean what are you doing now? You can reply, and Diao, I am crying, and Dal, I am laughing, and Dai Kura, I am watching football, and when Ator, I'm reading a book, or you can say anything that you are doing. So, Yenakaan, a man or the aim. Nearly kick wake by Ran Tong Yang or Tong Dinka William Majak. Please follow, subscribe, share, and like so that we learn Dinka language together in this channel. We got challenge, Dornali Kawik, Kuyania. Bye. Waban Yok, next lesson.